I used to feel tired and stressed most of the time. Managing my work, studies, and personal life was not easy. My mind was always busy, and I found it hard to relax or sleep well. One day, I decided to try a meditation app. At first, it felt strange to just sit and breathe, but slowly, I started to feel better. The guided sessions helped me calm my thoughts and focus on the present. With regular practice, I became more patient, peaceful, and positive. Meditation is now part of my daily routine. It helps me think clearly, handle stress better, and stay balanced. I've learned that taking care of mental health is important for a happy and successful life.